October 1st, 2024, a quiet night in Florida turns chaotic inside a Speedway gas station. A woman reportedly screaming and threatening employees refuses to leave. Police are called to the scene. What happens next is all captured on bodycam. In this video, we break down the real footage and walk you through exactly what unfolded when the officer stepped inside.
You don't type of white people. You like to be seen. You couldn't even give me my gas so I can go. You want to be seen. You one of them white people.
What's going on?
You want to say that somebody doing something to you, but I'm not in no direction of her.
Relax.
I'm not in no direction of her.
Listen, relax, okay? I want to hear
Because
something.
I wanted to get my gas, and this bitch, she didn't want to give me my gas.
Yeah, listen to me.
And I'm like, why you don't want to give me my gas?
Hold on, listen to me. Go outside and talk to me.
Yeah, we can go outside.
Hey, trespass?
The bitch was some weird shit. She
Go ahead and tell her.
Police.
Just tell her she's trespassed.
Curve
Alright,
that
come on.
bitch.
Go,
That bitch.
ma'am.
I'm
go
gonna be
outside.
trespassed. I
Ma'am,
will
go.
slap you in real life.
Ma'am, go outside. You've been trespassed.
I will slap you in real
Okay?
life.
Listen.
I will slap you in
Listen,
real
you're
life.
gonna go to jail now if you don't go
Okay, I
outside.
can go outside.
Then go.
It don't matter. I can go outside. I'm
Ma'am,
going outside.
ma'am,
This
go
bitch is a liar.
Ma'am, go outside. You're gonna go to
She's
jail.
a liar.
All right,
She's a liar.
Look,
She's a liar.
stop.
She's a liar.
Stop.
I'm not going to jail. Get off me.
Can you please send me another unit?
She's a liar. She's a liar.
Relax.
Wait.
Relax.
Wait. I don't need to bring no reason. Look, trust me. I just had a baby.
Okay. All right. Relax.
Trust me, but I don't need to go to jail.
There's somebody on my way to 83.
Turn around and face the wall. Spread your feet apart.
Why are you doing me right
Spread your
there?
feet apart. Spread your feet apart.
But my feet are spread apart. My feet
Kick your leg out to the right and don't move.
What you mean? To my right.
Your right leg to the right and don't move.
What you mean? What you mean? I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean.
There's experience forms available.
I don't know what you mean. 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 You want this lady?
Nope, just don't move.
You don't need to do me.
All right. Just relax. Okay? Relax. All right, now listen to me. Listen to me.
I've never been aggressive.
Listen to me. All we're gonna do is
All
just go
I asked
outside.
her is why she want to ask me my gas. Why I'm getting arrested? Why am I getting arrested? Cause she wanted to ask me my gas.
Come on.
Why am I getting arrested? Wait. Why you dragging me like that? Why you dragging me like
Because
that?
you're not walking.
I'm walking.
Then let's walk. Then let's walk.
But be nice to me. Be nice to me. Be nice. Can I sit down?
How do I take this off?
Sir, can I sit down?
There you go.
Sir. Look, talk to me before you.
We're having a seat.
So.
There you go.
Oh,
There.
sir, give me a chance. Y'all wouldn't even give me a chance.
Nope.
Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Be an officer.
Right now.
Give me a chance. Be a
Right now.
chance.
Listen,
Be a chance.
right now you're acting
Officer.
I'll talk to you. Relax.
You didn't give me a chance.
Close that door.
You didn't close the door on me.
Whew. Hey, bro.
Of course. Anything else from me?
I'm good. Thank you, buddy.
Yes, sir. You too.
You didn't give me a chance. I literally was trying to be. Officer,
83 on 1015. Here, put me on the list for transport.
Officer, please. Please, can you give me a chance? I can't go to jail.
Yeah. See you, brother.
And then she paid for $10 in gas. She went out to the pump. She came back in, yelled at us to set the pump. It was still on there.
Okay.
She went back out, then came back in again and started just screaming and carrying on. At that point, once you start raising your voice and yelling at all of us and telling us you're going to slap us and all that nonsense,
Yeah.
I canceled her gas and I handed her her receipt and told her to get out.
Okay.
And then it escalated from there. There was a customer standing
And
here.
she said she was gonna slap the out of you.
Yep.
Yeah. She's gonna go for trespass after warning. They trespassed her. I told her to leave. She smells like she's been drinking. And then I'm gonna hit her for probably a disorderly conduct because of her being in there.
Called establishment.
Yeah.
My son literally gotta get picked up from school. Like, why y'all wanna do this to me?
What began as a routine call ended with tense moments caught on camera. The situation highlights just how quickly things can escalate when officers respond to volatile scenes. What are your thoughts on how this was handled? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more raw footage and real law enforcement encounters.